Whenever you're ready to apply finish to a small project, the last thing you want to do is set the wet finish down right on your workbench or even on a piece of paper. What can happen is as the finish dries, it essentially glues the project in place. Then you have a mess that you just have to clean up. However, you can create a temporary finishing station right on your workbench using just a scrap piece of pegboard and a handful of golf tees. Here's how it works. You take the golf tees and fit them through the holes in the pegboard. Now when you set it back down, the pegboard stabilizes the golf tees and keeps them from flipping over. Now you can take the project and set it in place right on the tees. The sharp points of the tees won't leave anything but tiny dimples in the bottom of a project. So that means you can apply a coat of finish to the bottom and there's plenty of air circulation to allow the finish to dry perfectly. A finishing station like this is like a clear shot right down the center of the fairway.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video tip, be sure to subscribe to the Woodsmith Shop channel. Now, every week we're adding great woodworking tips and woodworking videos. All you have to do is hit the bell to be notified. Plus, you'll find project plans and downloads in the description below.